Today I am reviewing the Skytech King 95 gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerhouse gaming desktop that delivers extreme performance, exceptional cooling, and stunning aesthetics, the Skytech King 95 gaming PC is definitely one to consider in 2025. This machine is built around the incredible AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D CPU, a processor that brings you 8 cores and 16 threads with a blazing base clock of 4.7 GHz and a turbo boost up to 5.2 GHz. That means whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking with demanding software, this PC handles it all smoothly without breaking a sweat. Paired with the Ryzen 7 CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070Ti graphics card with 16 GB of ultra-fast GDDR7 RAM. This GPU delivers stunning visuals and buttery smooth frame rates, even in the latest AAA games at high settings. Whether you're playing first-person shooters, open-world RPGs, or racing games, expect a premium experience with crisp details, vibrant colors, and ray tracing effects that really bring your games to life. And thanks to the 16 GB VRAM, it's future-proof to handle demanding games and creative workloads like video editing and 3D rendering. Storage-wise, Skytech didn't hold back. The King 95 comes equipped with a 1TB Gen4 NVMe SSD, which is up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives. This means lightning-fast boot times, near-instant game loading, and quick file transfers. No more waiting around. Your applications open instantly, and you can jump into your favorite games faster than ever. On the memory front, this gaming rig rocks 32 GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at 5,600 MHz. DDR5 offers much higher bandwidth and efficiency compared to previous generations, so multitasking is seamless. You can run multiple applications, stream while gaming, and edit high-resolution videos all at the same time without any lag or slowdown. Plus, the RGB lighting on the RAM modules adds a cool, customizable aesthetic touch that complements the King 95's striking white chassis. Speaking of which, cooling is a major highlight of this desktop. Skytech fitted it with a 360mm AIO liquid cooler with ARGB fans, providing superior thermal management to keep your CPU cool during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. Unlike traditional air coolers, this liquid cooler allows your system to run at peak performance without overheating or thermal throttling. That means better longevity for your components and consistent performance no matter how long you game. Connectivity is excellent, with a good selection of USB ports including USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1, plus HDMI and DisplayPort for your monitors. It also supports 802.11 AC Wi-Fi for fast wireless internet, and includes HD audio and mic inputs for crystal clear communication during multiplayer games or video calls. Bonus, Skytech even throws in a free gaming keyboard and mouse, so you're ready to jump right in without needing extra purchases. The King 95 is assembled in the USA and backed by a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, with free technical support to assist you if you run into any issues. Its premium build quality, combined with powerful hardware and robust cooling, makes it one of the best pre-built gaming PCs available right now. In summary, the Skytech King 95 gaming PC desktop is a complete package for gamers and creators who demand high-end performance, stunning graphics, and reliable cooling in a sleek, eye-catching design. Whether you're into competitive gaming, content creation, or just want a desktop that can handle everything with ease, the King 95 is ready to deliver. If you want a future-proof, hassle-free gaming rig with all the bells and whistles, this system should definitely be on your shortlist. Don't wait. Level up your gaming experience with Skytech today.